Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a Krival nail mani using these two colors here. The first color here is Sea Turtle, and it is a beautiful bluish greenish like aquamarine color, and it's super pretty. And then the next fun color here is called Sea Dragon, and it is a beautiful shaped hexagon glitter, and it comes off all different shades of light blue. It's super pretty, and it has some matte glitters in there. It's some chunky glitters with a little bit of fine glitters in there, but mostly chunky, and it's super pretty. And then we're also going to be using the Krival Gel Base Coat and Top Coat, which are my favorites at the moment. For this mani today, we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to do 4 nails of Sea Turtle, and then we're going to do a fun accent nail of just full glitter of that beautiful Sea Dragon. And I really like Sea Turtle. I think it's a perfect transition into fall autumn season. It's super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and how gorgeous is this color combination? I think sea turtle really complements sea dragon really well, and it's super pretty. That glitter is super unique, unlike any glitter I've ever seen. Krival Nail has some really pretty glitters, so definitely check them out. I'll link everything that I use in today's mani in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!